So a couple words on why it's important. So beyond just being able to purge your content really fast, the really interesting and good thing about Fast Purge is it allows you to cache types of content that you used to avoid caching. So that is content that changes somewhat unexpectedly and where serving that fresh content to your end users is your top priority. Some examples of that include pricing and inventory numbers in e-commerce or breaking news stories where going viral is very important and you want to be the first one out there to break the news. You've got to be able to purge it fast.
Yep.
So in order to demonstrate Fast Purge, we chose an e-commerce use case. We have a little demo store here where we're selling some clothes and the Akamai Polo. And we've basically set up two browsers. So this one browser has encapsulated in it two iframes. One of them is just passing through Akamai and just getting the content directly from origin. So on this browser, you're going to be able to show what you published on origin.
Okay.
On this other browser on the other side, you are going to be able to see what Akamai is serving your end users. So you'll notice that we publish new content, but then Akamai is still serving old content because you're caching that with a very long TTL, and you're going to have to purge it for your end users to be able to see it.
Great.
Now, at the top here, we have just a little control console to emulate what your publishing and purging interface at your own company might be, and we're going to use that here. So we're going to go live with a sale. I'm going to pick this version that we've prepared in advance of the sale. And at first, I'm just going to publish that onto the origin. Okay, so important to note, this is just passing through Akamai. None of this is being cached. And we used Image Converter to overlay the 50% off sale onto the existing images. And so all we really had to change was the HTML with the query parameters calling those images together with the watermark. Now, of course, your end users are still seeing this version.
That's what we've got cached on the edge.
Which we've got cached on the edge, very long TTLs. So you're getting great performance, great offload, and now the missing link is let's show that to your end users as soon as we possibly can. And so to get that, I'm going to click Purge here. So this button here calls our Fast Purge API.
We got a
You can see a timer running on the top. And there it is in under a second, which is a lot faster than the benchmark we set.
Yeah, that's very good. Now just because it all was on one laptop here, this is really happening out on the internet on the Akamai Edge server, right? Because that's why we
all live.
Yeah, had two laptops originally, but okay, so that was pretty fast. Let's do that again.
Yeah, we probably should for
I'm really tempting fate. I should have just quit right there if it blows up now, you know, but all right, let's try that again. Yeah, let's do it again.
All right.
So here's the timer up here. All right, so we can see how long it took, and that'll be when we first detect that it's changed, right? So when it's changed on the edge? Okay.
So we're basically on this side, on this browser, we are basically pulling the edge and finding out, has it changed or has it not changed? And we start the timer when the purge is clicked, and we stop it as soon as we've detected a change. And then we load the page.
Okay, very good.
All right, so we've gone live with our sale literally instantly. Now, say that sale was a 24-hour sale. I want to kill that sale all at once. So same thing, I will basically publish my original content back on the origin. You can see it right there. Again, your users are still able to purchase everything in sale prices. You don't want that anymore. You want to be able to purge. So I'll click Purge now.
All right, now there was a little delay, 0.9 seconds, and then there was a little delay for that to show up. What's going on? Explain that.
Right, so we are pulling the edge for the change, and then we are stopping the timer as soon as we detect the change, and then we are fetching the content, and because it's been invalidated, we have to go to the origin to get that new content. We can't get it from the content anymore. Still happened pretty fast.
Yes, it did. Okay, so this is in beta today. When can folks out here use this at large?
Right, so it's in beta today. It is going into to become more broadly available by January. Customers can actually play with this demo at the Luna booth right out this door over here and ask to sign up for the beta, and I will follow up with you in the next week or two to join the beta or even put you in line for when it becomes more widely available.
Okay, so that's great. So even with a broken laptop, I think you set the record for world's fastest demo. So thank you very much.
Thank you very much.